Sofia, over here. Sofia, over here.
Phew, there you are.
Wait, are you going to a party or something?
A party? No. Why?
Because you look ready for a fancy dinner, not the beach. We're going to do sports, not drink tea with the queen.
I didn't know what to wear. I don't usually do beach activities. I wasn't sure what outfit was right.
Looks like I need to give you a fashion training session someday. But for now, come on, it's almost showtime.
Showtime? What are you going to do?
Surfing, of course. Don't worry, I'll teach you later. Just sit right there and watch. Things are about to get exciting. Hey, Tommy, ready to lose again? Or do you want to lose with style today?
Lose? Me? Bia, today I'm going to make you eat your words.
Ha! Bold words for someone who always comes second.
Well, not today. I'm not here to watch you shine anymore. This time, the spotlight's on me.
Is that so? Got your apology speech ready? You'll need it later.
We'll see. I've got some new tricks for you.
Talking won't change anything. Let's see who's begging for mercy after the race.
Deal. And if I win, you owe me a coconut drink.
Fine. But if I win, you'll tell everyone I'm the queen of the waves.
Queen of... Okay, whatever. But don't expect that from me today.
Woohoo!
Oh, so close. Just a little more and I would have beaten you.
You did great, Tommy. If you had a bit more luck, maybe you would have won.
You're unbelievable, Bia. It'll take me a long time to beat you.
Oh, come on, don't say that. You're improving fast.
Then tell me your secret. You must have a trick or something. Your timing is perfect, every single time.
Well, there's a saying. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago.
Oh, come on, English, please.
You haven't beaten me yet because I've been doing this since I was a kid. I learned early. I practiced a lot. Surfing feels natural to me, like life, like breathing. So I don't have to try too hard.
That explains everything. Thanks, Bia. I'll keep training. Maybe one day I'll finally beat you.
You absolutely can. You've got potential. And hey, you're stronger than me. Just practice more and you'll catch up soon.
Thanks. See you next time.
Bia, that was amazing. Is there anything you're not good at?
Well, I'm terrible at being humble because I'm really good at surfing.
I don't doubt that. Not even one bit. Well, I've been doing it since I was a kid. While other kids played with toys, I played with the waves. The ocean was basically my babysitter. Honestly, you look like someone who was born with sports in your blood. Like, everything athletic just makes sense to you. Maybe that's true. Whenever I try a new sport, I'm just naturally good at it. It's like my own little superpower. Meanwhile, I'm the complete opposite. Sports and I don't get along at all. Oh, come on, it's easier than you think. Let me teach you some basic surfing steps.
I don't think I can learn that.
Hey, just try it. You'll never know unless you give it a shot, remember? All right, I'm listening. Okay, here are the basic rules of surfing. Rule number 1, don't dress like a princess. Okay, got it. Rule number 2, don't panic. Rule number 3, don't panic. Again. Okay. Panic is the enemy. Rule number 4, trust the wave. Rule number 5, balance is key. If you lose your balance, bye-bye.
Yeah, that sounds exactly like something I would lose.
Bia, I have to confess something. I'm not sure I can learn surfing. I can't.
What is this? Just say it. There's nothing impossible.
I don't know how to swim. Oh my God. You can't swim? Wow. I've never met anyone in Horizon Town who can't. Well, now you have. I mean, I knew you were special, but I didn't know you were can't swim at this age special. Okay, yes. I'm an adult who can't swim. And I'm terrified of water. You can't survive on an island without knowing how to swim. You have to learn. But I'm scared. I can't even step into the water. And at my age, I don't think I can learn anymore. Okay. Don't worry. Coach Bia is here. You're never too old to learn how to swim. Trust me. But. Welcome to my swimming class. Wait! Here? Now? In the ocean? I can't. Relax. No, not here. We need a pool. The ocean is not for beginners. In a pool, you won't feel scared. It's safe, calm, and perfect for learning. Phew! Okay, that sounds better.
Sofia here. Thank you everyone for watching. If you find this video interesting, please help Team Sofia by clicking like and subscribe.